welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo on the Caribbean Gateway Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you some lovely recipes, lovely ideas, weight loss, healthy recipe. You know what I mean? I want to say, guys, right now, I'm going to share a fantastic recipe with you. It's also detoxing your body and weight loss. And eat, you know what I mean? If you're a person who eat healthy, go to the gym, doing a lot of exercise, this come in really handy for you. This is some lovely fresh mint right here, which I'm going to be using also inside of my detoxing water. Cucumber is a must when you're doing detoxing. And also lemon, lime, or, you know what I mean? It's good to use fresh ingredients because that works a little bit more better for you guys. Alright? Second thing, we all know about this thing named apple cider vinegar. Billions of people all over the world been using it. A lot of people recommend people to use it. I'm always saying to my fans, to my friends, to everyone, you know what I mean? I want to say to you guys, please do your own research. It's very important for you to do your research. You know what I mean? What apple cider vinegar is good for, what water is good for, what lemon is good for, you know what I mean? What fresh mint is good for. Fresh mint, we all know that that's natural ingredients, natural stuff. You can get this at the local shop, supermarket. But anyway, today in my kitchen, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a lovely, fantastic detoxing water. Detoxing your body do help you to lose weight and also clear out your immune system and make you look fresh, young and nice for summer. Alright? Anyway, I got a big bottle of water right here. So if you're a person who normally do barbecue, you know what I mean, for the family, for friends, and you know what I mean, this coming really handy for you. I'm just gonna be pulling this bottle of water, as you can see. But it's a little bit too much water, so what I'm gonna do is pour out a little bit of the water out of it. Alright? So pour a little bit of the water. This is the rest of the water which right here. I'm not gonna be even chuck this in the bin. What I'm going to do is shake up my apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna pop roughly about a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar inside of it. Alright? Remember, as I said, apple cider vinegar, you can get that at the you know, you have to be careful of the one which you even do buy, because every apple cider vinegar is not the same. This one is the original one, the one I said matters. Alright? So basically, I want to chuck this in the sink. I will be like drinking it. That's what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do now is make sure, you know what I mean, all of the ingredients is washed off. So I'm gonna slice up a few slices of cucumber right here to put straight inside of the bottle of water right here, guys. It's amazing to do this weight loss drink or detoxing your body. Alright, so you're gonna say how this works, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how it works. The best way to drink this is right straight through the day. Yeah, if you wake up in the morning and you make a glass of it, you need to leave it for roughly about an hour or 2 hours for the cucumber, the mint and the lemon to dissolve in the water. So like this one now, it's good for you if you're gonna do a barbecue. It's good for you to make it like now, like, you know what I mean, during the day, and make it stay there, go on second. In the meantime, then I just share it as it goes along. So as you can see now, I start to put some cucumber inside of the water like this. Alright guys, and this will only last up for roughly about 24 hours. After, you need to just chuck it, you know, because the cucumber gonna get really soggy in the water for long. But not only that, you can use a small bottle and also make it at home, guys. So it's fantastic. It will be coming out really lovely and nice same way. As you can see, this is exactly what's going on right here inside of the kitchen when I'm talking about detoxing your body, weight loss, losing weight and all these things. So take a good look at this one. So I put half of a cucumber inside of the water. Alright? Now what I'm going to do next now is get some fresh mint. Alright guys, because this is very important. So get a few fresh mint, and I'm going to pop this straight inside of it like this. Lovely and nice. I'm going to just pop this straight down in it. And this is how we're going to do it on the Caribbean Gateway Show, guys. Look at this. This is amazing drink. Alright. Second thing is, get your lemon. Lemon is very important. And I'm going to be using half of a lemon inside of it. And I'm going to just put it straight down in it like this. And like this. And like this. Alright. Give this a shake. And we're going to put roughly about a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar in it. Just like that. Want to simply say to you guys that the apple cider vinegar works really well in weight loss, to be honest. Alright. You see this? This is exactly what I've been talking about. Detoxing your body, weight loss, losing weight. This is it right here. So all you need to do is to put down this syrup for about 3 to 4 hours, make it dissolve inside of it, and then you can drink it straight through the day. But as I said, the best time to make this, if you want to make a container, bring it to work and share it. Your fans them, you know what I mean, tell people about detoxing the body or something, whatever, you know what I mean, guys. But this works really well, and this is how we normally do it on the Caribbean Gateway Show. We're gonna have a lot more recipes, a lot more coming, and I will see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and also there's a lot more recipe on the YouTube channel also, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.